Ababwatani b'emibagani nabo igo bali bakonia ebinyegwa by'ogotindia bono nigo besokiri bene nabo igo kogania eserikali okeiya emishahara y'abajumbe nabo igo abawaziri ase baganirie abakori emirimo b'eserikali korigererwa ase oboime nabo igo kobwa korigereria omwananchi okawaida korende nigo baganirie eserikali kogenderea umorobereri bwogokinia ebinyegwa by'ogotindia ase ekerengo gia 6.3% ase batebabuna serikali eisagwetania abo nigo baranyara kwa bagosiria ebiasara ebinge orobatira senchira eyobwikirano.
If really the government or the KRA is looking for tax, why don't they cut down on the salaries that they are giving MPs, on the salaries that they are giving the PSs, on the salaries that they are giving the CSs, or even the trips that they keep on going, on the allowances? But now they have to come to the common mwananchi, then to finish him again. These are the guys that come to our places because of stress. Now you are telling them not to come there and to go back to Chang'an. I really urge the government that as stakeholders, let us have a meeting. Balita is ready. We have the industries. We have the ABAC. Let us sit down and try and look for a solution, because there are other ways that they can get, they can increase tax somewhere else. If you look today at our businesses, that is in Murang'a, we had, before COVID, we had 2,400 premises. But today, 2 years down the line, we have lost 400 premises. Those people are not longer in business, and I know when we start increasing again, this tax that is being told by the KRA guys, I know we will lose another 400 premises. And when you lose about 800 premises, which are premises employs 5 to 6 people, Germany, those are our youth that will go home.
We really request the government to go with the plan of increasing the beer prices by 6.3%. Kwa sababu to add that percentage, it means our customers will really not be able to consume the Kenya Breweries beer, which is actually we would say is the beer which is known. People who pay taxes from Kenya Breweries do pay taxes, and increasing that one mean now our people will go to start taking second generation beer and illicit group as Shanga. Beer cannot be avoided. That's where the people go to get the solace. And so increasing the beer. And because even what the people are earning, somebody earning 500 shilling, somebody has a family of 4 people, and the unga, the price is 250. You can imagine so that somebody cannot support the family to provide the breakfast, the lunch and the supper.
Ningeomba hata kama wanaongeza pombe wajaribu kuangalia wanayuthi wetu sana. Watoto wetu wanapotelea kwa pombe, kwa bangi, wanapotelea kwa ile pombe mbaya. Na hata wengi hawawezi kujipeleka kwa kilabu. Wanaenda kukunywa hizo pombe mbaya mahali ziko. Unawaona kwa barabara wamelewa na hata hawajatoka kwa vilabu.
Omwanche omurigereria ni gongo manyigwa